Hey everybody, it's Jerry from SimplyCyber. Just wanted to do a year in review because 2020 was the first year of SimplyCyber and there was so much that happened and there were a lot of ups, there were a lot of downs. I engaged with so many of you and I wanted to take a minute and highlight everything that happened in 2020 with the channel and share it with you. Coming up. Hey everybody, it's Jerry. This isn't the typical episode of SimplyCyber where we're going to be diving into tips, tricks, labs, career, industry, certs. None of that. This episode is really dedicated for those people who are subscribers to SimplyCyber and have grown with the channel as 2020 has progressed. So some of you may or may not know, but the channel launched on December 23rd, 2019 as a project, and I really didn't know what I was doing or what expectations I had, and I just let it grow organically. And now it's the end of 2020, we've gone from 0 to 3,600 subscribers, and we're just continuing to ramp up. We're getting about 500 a month. So thank you for sharing this channel with your friends and your family and anyone out there who's looking to take or make a cybersecurity career. So some highlights from 2020. We went from, this logo that I made right here, and then I dropped 25 bucks for like a freelancer to make this logo, which was cool. And then I really went to the next level and spent 300 bucks of my own money to have this professional logo developed. Because I wanted to put it all over my branding stuff, and I'm doing, you can get t-shirts or coffee mugs now with the logo if you wanted to support the channel. Basically, like for every shirt, I get like 10 bucks. I think the shirts are cool anyways, but whatever. Anyways, the whole reason I did that was to just further, make the show professional and really, really galvanize that this is a legit resource that people can use and trust for getting that cybersecurity knowledge. So, that's the evolution of the logo. I wanted to call out, there's basically like 50, I do one every Monday, right? So there's like 50 or 60 videos on the channel as of right now. And I highlighted here the top picks of 2020, and I noticed a trend. There's a lot of SOC analyst related content. So, if SOC analyst content is what you're wanting out there, community, let me know in the comments below. Tell me what kind of content. It doesn't have to be specific, like I want to know about the CYSA cert. It could be I want to know about certs. I want to know about malware analysis. I'm trying to give a wide range of content on the channel because there is so much breadth to the industry. But if people want more SOC analyst stuff, which it looks like, let me know. I'm happy to go that route. I'm friends with all sorts of SOC analyst people. So, revenue, all right? So just so we're transparent, right now ads are running on the channel. In 2020, the SimplyCyber channel made 90 bucks, 98 bucks, let's say 100 total revenue. So that I probably put in about 200 hours of my own time. So I'm basically making 50 cents an hour making SimplyCyber, which is fine because I'm not doing it for revenue or money or anything like that. I'm doing it for the community, but I just thought you guys might enjoy looking behind the scenes at like the business part of YouTube and the revenue and all that, and really understand what I'm getting for it or something like that. So it's definitely not a cash cow, but again, it's much more philanthropic for me, and being able to get to meet and hear the stories and share the journey with so many of you, that is the compensation as far as I'm concerned. So really, really appreciate that. Oh, we had some negatives, right? So just a couple weeks ago, I received a YouTube community strike, and I may have overreacted a little bit emotionally. At the time, I was really pissed because I was blocked from communicating with you guys. I couldn't post anything. I couldn't comment. I was really, really upset. And if I get 3 of these in 90 days, my channel gets banned. So a couple things. I want to give a shout out to Hackersploit right here, whose YouTube channel I'm featuring in today's video. He actually, I reached out to a couple people, him and Stoke, about how the hell do you publish cybersecurity content and avoid getting flagged by YouTube as distributing dangerous material. That's what my community strike was, that I was teaching you how to be a criminal. So anyways, Hackersploit replied. He gave me some suggestions. I love his channel. I appreciate his kind of guidance on creator. Same with Stoke. So first of all, thank you guys, and then second of all, be sure to check out their content. Their content on YouTube is fantastic for cybersecurity stuff. So I have migrated all of my content to Library TV. It's like a YouTube competitive platform that's built on blockchain. Basically, when I post to YouTube, it automatically posts to Library TV. So I have a backup site of my content. And I've also created like a email newsletter sign up form thing. So if you're not on the form, please take a minute and just drop your email in there. I'm not spamming you or selling you crap like that. It's much more, occasionally behind the scenes things. I sent a personal happy holidays video greeting to the mailing list just a little while ago. So there is some benefit to that. And for whatever reason, if YouTube ever bans my channel, I want to be able to reach out to you and let you know where you can continue to get the content that SimplyCyber is producing. Okay, yeah, so I already mentioned the t-shirts. If you're interested in getting one of those, I've got a bunch of different things on there, like hoodies and women's kind of model t-shirts. The basic tee, it's like that vintage tri-blend stuff. It's very comfortable. That's the one I wear in my videos. I love it. So if you want to support the channel, maybe check out a shirt. So upcoming for 2021, I wanted to let you know some of the content that's coming up. I've got a lot of great interviews. I'm interviewing Monica Verma, CISO out of Europe, who's like incredibly smart around cloud and kind of big picture around information security. She's got some great content. We've got the cyber mentor himself, Heath Adams, coming on to talk about, offensive security and certifications and which ones you should go for, and, the whole world around offensive security. So really appreciate that. We're going to be diving into some labs and cyber ranges, really focusing again on the blue side of things. I've done some red stuff, but because of that community strike, I've actually pulled down my red team labs because those literally show you how to break web apps and break into stuff. So after the community strike expires on March 3rd, I'll make those videos available again. But I'm just afraid of getting a second strike. So anyways, 2021 is going to be great. Again, if you got ideas, I'm coming up with these on my own, but if you got ideas, let me know in the comments below. If you loved a particular video on the channel, let me know in the video below. Use the comments to engage with me. This is how we do it, right? So I'm really excited for 2021. I can't wait to see where SimplyCyber goes in this upcoming year. And again, thank you so much, because as far as I'm concerned, I'm the face of SimplyCyber, but we are SimplyCyber. The channel doesn't work without you and without your input and without your collaboration. So thank you very much. And let's do it again in 2021 with a year in review and see what where we're at. Okay. All right. Until next time, stay secure.